Welcome to masop.com.ng. These are your platform where you buy cheap data at the most cheapest rates. You can do your Gotv, DStv and a lot more here. Even pay your NEPA bill. Come to this place, select cable, select DStv, select the package you want to subscribe, then put in your IUC number, then your PIN while you created doing registration on masop.com.ng website. Now this is where you insert your IUC number. After you must have inserted your IUC number, click on verify. So this is my IUC number. I want to do my Gotv. That is Gotv Smile. So put in your PIN. These are PIN you created while doing registration on Masop. Now verify the IUC number. Verify if the IUC number is correct. Make sure you have fund on your Masop wallet. So it's verifying to bring out the name. So the IUC number is correct. You can see the name. Verify. Make payment now. Pay. Instantly it will be deducted. 19 has been deducted from my wallet and the Gotv subscription is successful. So the Gotv subscription is currently working now. Within a second, it doesn't waste time. So this is your deposit option. Have been debited for the subscription. Make sure you have fund. Now you can do a lot of things on this website. You can also recharge your cable subscription here, your lights. So these are your MTN. You can buy cheap data here. Get cheap data at the most cheapest rate. You can see 1.5 gig for 580, very cheap. You can see a lot of MTN packages you can select here. All this works on your devices. Enjoy cheap data. All network is available here. We have Glo 9 Mobile, Airtime. So enjoy cheap data on masop.com.ng. If you can refer and earn passive income. You can earn a lot of passive income from here. This is your MTN. You can see 1 gig of MTN 600 valid for 30 days. You can see enjoying this cheap data. You can see 2 gig 1150. So masop.com.ng is a trending platform. Look at Glo, 1 gig of Glo valid for 30 days. It's 470. So this is monthly data plan. Enjoying this cheap data. These are your referral options. If you want to refer, invite people, then you earn passive commission. So refer through your referral link and you earn commission. All this commission can be withdrawn to your bank account or to your wallet, whichever means you want. So refer and earn passive income. You can earn if you can refer people, invite people, share your referral link to all your friends, invite them, let them register using your link. So this is your interface, the website. This is the website of masop.com.ng. You can locate the website and register.